India has rapidly transformed into the world's fastest growing economy. One company that's perfectly poised for growth. Newtronic. Established in 1980, Newtronic is a renowned leader in manufacturing highly sophisticated stability chambers, exporting to over 40 countries. Designed as per the global standards, the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, spreading over a sprawling 60,000 square feet and strategically located at Umbergaon, is well equipped to manufacture over 200 units per month. Certified and recognized by various global bodies, Newtronic's manufacturing facility is a perfect blend of the latest plant and machinery and the finest automated manufacturing processes. Our quality control norms before as well as after the final product installation ensure our discerning customers get pre-validated and fully tested chambers in all conditions.
At Newtronic, we are inspired by our customers to dream more, learn more and achieve more. Our vision is to be a global leader in developing futuristic technologies for the benefit of mankind.
We are driven by our philosophy. We design. We develop. And we deliver.
Having redefined the paradigms of this industry, we feel it is our duty to give back to the society. Our support to various social initiatives exemplifies our commitment to corporate social responsibility.
As a socially responsible company, at Newtronic, we take pride in embracing innovative, eco-friendly technologies and recycling of natural resources. Our highly skilled employees, driven by the culture of customer devotion, constantly strive to delight every single customer with a world-class after-sales service. Our relentless focus on continuously reinventing ourselves has resulted in lowering operating cost and reducing less production turnaround time, thus benefiting our customers considerably.
At Newtronic, we understand the importance of customer delight, which is why we are committed to ensure highest level of services to our customers.
Newtronic is ideally placed to take advantage of the opportunities both domestically and internationally, offering distinct competitive advantages to companies looking for a strategic alliance as an OEM partner to expand their operations. Newtronic, the name you can trust.